In today's video, I am going to teach you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for your online store, where you manage your products, apps, payments, orders, and store settings. Make sure you are logged into the correct Shopify store before continuing, especially if you manage more than one store. Once you are inside the admin area, look toward the lower left side of the screen and click on Settings. The Settings area is where Shopify keeps the main configuration options for your store. From here, you can manage important parts of your business, including your store details, checkout, shipping, taxes, payments, and apps. For this tutorial, we are going to use Shopify apps to connect your store with Alibaba dropshipping tools. So the next place you need to go is the Apps section. Inside Settings, click Apps. Depending on your Shopify layout, this may appear as Apps and Sales Channels. This page shows the apps currently connected to your store, as well as options for adding new apps. At the top of the page, look for the option that takes you to the Shopify App Store. Click Shopify App Store to open the marketplace, where you can search for apps that help connect suppliers and products to your Shopify store. Now that you are in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for an official Alibaba dropshipping integration app. You can search for Alibaba dropshipping, or you can search for a known dropshipping integration app such as WooCommerce, Zendrop, or Cincy. The goal here is to find a trusted app that supports product sourcing and supplier connections, and that can work with Shopify to help you bring products into your store. Take a moment to review the app before installing it. Look at the app name, the developer, the features, and the overall purpose of the app. This helps you confirm that it is the right type of integration for your store. You do not need to rush this part because the app you choose will be an important part of how you manage products and supplier connections. Once you have found the app you want to use, click Install. Shopify may show you a permissions page before the app is added to your store. This page explains what the app needs access to in order to work properly. Review the information, and if everything looks correct, continue with the installation. After the app has been installed, Shopify will usually open the app automatically, or you will be able to access it from your Apps section in the Shopify admin. Next, open the installed app. Since the app needs to connect with Alibaba or a supplier network, you will be asked to log in using your Alibaba credentials. Enter your Alibaba login details in the secure login screen provided by the app. Be sure not to share your login information publicly or save it anywhere unsafe. Once you are logged in, the app can begin connecting your Shopify store with the supplier tools available through that integration. After the app is connected, there is one more important part to set up before you can accept customer orders. You need to make sure your Shopify store has a payment gateway connected. This is what allows customers to pay you when they place an order on your store. To do this, go back to your Shopify admin, click Settings, and then click Payments. In the Payments section, choose the payment gateway you want to use for your store. Shopify will show you the available payment options based on your location and store setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect and activate your payment method. Once your payment gateway is set up, your store will be able to accept customer payments, which is essential before you start selling dropship products. At this point, you have opened your Shopify admin, gone into Settings, accessed the Shopify App Store, installed a dropshipping integration app, logged in with your Alibaba account, and connected a payment gateway through Shopify Payment Settings. That covers the basic setup needed to begin dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify. And that is all there is to it.